Mahal ko, happy anniversary. It has been 9 years since God started to write our love story. 9 years since we first met during our PE dance class and became dance partners. It was supposed to be just another subject, another requirement to graduate, but little did I know that's where I will also meet my dance partner for life.
Mahal ko, happy anniversary. This gift is a reminder of how far we've come and the forever ahead of us. This is a symbol of our journey that started 9 years ago. May this gift reminds you that I love you every second, every minute, and every hour. Love, your wife. Your wife. Your wife to be. Oh, yeah.
To Pamela Joy, I hope you will love my simple gift for you. This gift will not only give you the time, but what's more important is it will make you reminisce and treasure this very moment of our wedding. I love you, JC.
Brothers and sisters, we are gathered to celebrate the Holy Eucharist and to witness the sacrament of marriage between John and Pamela. As their Christian family, we remind them that they are called to a life of holiness and fidelity as husband and wife. Paano mo nga ba malalaman na totoong mahal ka nga ng isang tao? Paano ka nakakasiguro na yung taong minamahal mo ay mahal ka talaga? Kapag napapangiti ka niya, kapag napaka-sweet niya sa iyo, kapag napapasaya ka niya, yun ba yung tanda? Pero kung ako po yung tatanungin, meron pang mas malalim na tanda upang malaman na talagang mahal ka nga ng isang tao. At ano yon? Kapag nakita mo yung pinakamasama niyang pag-uugali, pero handa mo pa rin siyang tanggapin, doon mas napapakita yung tunay na pagmamahal.
Hello, mahal. Alam mo ba na sobrang saya ko ngayon? Saya na kahit sa paglipas ng mahabang panahon ay hindi ito matutumbasan.
I promise to keep dancing with you through the highs and lows, through the fast song and the slow ones. When life is joyful, I'll spin with you. When life gets hard, I'll hold you through it.
Ngayon, kinakabahan, excited, tsaka yung mga expectation ko, kahit sinasabi ko kahit hindi na ma-meet, basta maging masayang lahat, maging masaya kaming dalawa. Yun lang.
Kinakabahan, pero excited ako. Kanina pa ako naiiyak, pero pinipigilan ko lang. Yun.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko.
Simple lang naman kung paano tayo nagkakilala. Naging mag-partner sa sayaw, nagkakwentuhan, nagligawan. Pero yung simulang minahal at kasabay kang mangarap, yun ang unti-unting bumuo ng kwento natin.
Sa'yo, natutunan ko na ang totoong pagmamahal ay hindi lang about perfect timing or smooth movements. It's about staying in step even when the music changes.
Ngayong nandyan ka na di magmamadali, ikaw lang ang katabi hanggang
John, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Pamela, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
sisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw.
Do you remember that one time when you rode the jeepney with me going home after class? Hindi pa tayo close nun. Pero tinanong mo ko, saan ka umuuwi?
Una pa lang, nagpapasalamat na ako sa Diyos dahil gumawa siya ng paraan para magkakilala tayo.
So when someone asks me again, saan ka umuuwi? I'll smile and say, I already am. Because my home has never been a place. It's always been you.
Ngayong nandyan ka na, ikaw lang katabi, hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Dahil ikaw, hindi na ako bibitaw. Ngayon ikaw na.
Alam kong hindi natin kontrolado ang bukas, pero naniniwala akong handa tayo sa lahat. And I hope and pray that we can build a happy and healthy family together.
Kahit kailan, hindi nagkakamali ang Diyos sa mga taong kanyang pinagtatagpo. Pinagtagpo kayo mula noon hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa wakas ng inyong buhay.
Ikaw ay dilaw.
You are my favorite dance, my partner in everything, my safe place, and my forever home. I will always love and choose you, now, tomorrow, and every day after that.